Welcome to a realm where beverages are not just flavorful, but loaded with amazing health advantages. Today, accompany us on an intriguing expedition as we reveal the remarkable potential of drinks to prevent and mend nerve damage. Picture yourself sipping away stress, preventing nerve pain, and strengthening your nerves, all while enjoying delightful beverages. Let's explore the power of what's in your cup. Let's begin with the esteemed green tea, a treasured drink across cultures for centuries. Packed with antioxidants, green tea's primary component, EGCG, encourages nerve cell growth and speeds up recovery after injury. Rich in amino acids like L-theanine, it positively affects brain function. Green tea isn't just about nurturing your nerves, it's a comprehensive approach to better health. From traditional hot brews to iced versions and green tea smoothies, the possibilities are endless. Incorporate it into meals, use it as a base for savory broths, or add a healthy boost to baking. 2. Turmeric latte. Turmeric's curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, enhances nerve health by crossing the blood-brain barrier and promoting neuroprotective effects. Personalize your turmeric latte with spices like cinnamon, ginger, or cardamom. Experiment with various types of milk for a creamy texture. This golden drink is not just soothing, but a golden opportunity for nerve recovery. 3. Spinach and kale smoothie. Step into the world of the spinach and kale smoothie, a vibrant green powerhouse that strengthens nerves. These leafy greens support myelin production, essential for protecting and repairing nerves. Blend with fruits, add chia or flax seeds, and experiment with plant-based milk. This smoothie isn't just about nerve health, it's a dynamic way to enhance overall well-being. 4. Orange carrot ginger juice. Embark on an adventure with the zesty, sweet, and slightly spicy orange carrot ginger juice. Oranges provide vitamin C, vital for collagen production, while carrots deliver beta-carotene for nerve repair. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties and enhanced blood circulation make this a lively concoction for nerve health. Add fresh turmeric for an earthy taste, ground cinnamon for balance, or experiment with additional fruits like apples. This juice is not merely refreshing, it's a symphony of flavors benefiting your nerves' health. Pomegranate juice. Discover the luxurious pomegranate juice, rich in antioxidants like punicalagins and ellagic acid. Its potential neuroprotective effects and ability to promote neuron regeneration make it a promising friend for the nervous system. Use it in salad dressings, freeze into ice cubes, or mix with your favorite smoothie blend. Pomegranate juice is a treasure trove of benefits for your nerves. 6. Blueberry smoothie. Enter the realm of the blueberry smoothie, a regal-hued elixir bursting with antioxidants. Blueberries, rich in anthocyanins, protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and enhance neuronal signaling. Combine with bananas or strawberries. Add Greek yogurt for creaminess, and experiment with honey or cinnamon for flavor. This smoothie is a nerve-nourishing masterpiece for your taste buds. 7. Lemon ginger tea. Conclude your journey with the timeless classic lemon ginger tea. Gingerol's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, combined with the vitamin C in lemons, fortify nerves against damage. Add mint leaves for freshness, or a pinch of turmeric for an extra health boost. Lemon ginger tea is a soothing, invigorating brew supporting nerve health. Each drink in this symphony of nerve-nourishing beverages is a gateway to wellness. From green tea's holistic approach to turmeric latte's golden opportunity, spinach kale smoothie's dynamic boost to pomegranate juice's treasure trove, blueberry smoothie's royal elixir to lemon ginger tea's timeless classic. Every sip is a step toward healthier, happier nerves. Your kitchen is your canvas, where the colors of fruits, veggies, roots, and leaves contribute to the masterpiece of your well-being. Craft these drinks not just for your body, but for your soul. Here's to a healthier, more vibrant you, one delightful drink at a time. Keep sipping, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep nurturing your body and mind. And thank you Your support is greatly appreciated. Take care, and see you in the next lesson. Please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, turning on notifications, and sharing the video with your contacts.